and they pronounce the L like L, L, la sound, not law sound, la. So like hello, hello, not hello, hello. Lazy, lazy, no lazy. So before pronouncing the T sound, you should uh, uh, make yourself okay, make your tongue prepared for making the L sound. So before pronouncing the L sound, you should uh, prepare your tongue like O and then L, all sound. Lazy, lazy, no lazy. So she say program, not program, program, because P it pronounced like pa, pa. Get it or not? Here he says someone. So here's applied to the A sound. It will be pronounced like S sound. Got it or not? Someone Sharif, you should practice sound more and more. You should learn British pronunciation. So this one used is sound, and it will be pronounced like s. So he says, of course. So after a long vowel sound, oh, oh, of course. Got it? So R will not be pronounced, it will be silent. So of course. So he says of course, not of course. Of course. It is not pronounced in British pronunciation. So let's see how of course sound in so cars. This one is after a long vowel sound. So here after a long vowel sound, this one used here, okay, it's in a long o, this one o, and it will be pronounced like o. So after the curse, when r it came after the long vowel, so British already silent and make it silent, okay, made it silent like it didn't pronounced. They say of course. Let's see one more time the example again. And of course, and of course, and of course, and of course. So most of the cases, the end sound in the end, so they don't pronounce the D sound. So that's why I say and of course. So actually it was the and of course, but they didn't pronounce the D sound for making it fast and smoother. So it has been of course, no, of course. Got it or not? And she says exercise, exercise, but didn't say exercise, exercise. No, exercise. So most of the cases, in some specific words, they don't pronounce the R sound. So that's why she says exercise, no exercise. Got it or not, Shuman Sharif? Hello, Sabir Hussain. Are you here? And she says fitness club, fitness club. So fi- so she almost tried to pronounce the T, but when he going to pronounce the T, and suddenly he came back and taken U-turn. So like this pronounce, it's called glottal T. Okay, like football, football, no football, football. So this kind of T sound, it's called glottal T. Okay, so she says fitness, not fitness. Let's listen one more time. Yeah, she says fitness club, not fitness club.
Which is good news because fewer and fewer of us are doing what the UK government recommends: 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day. In fact, the government recently
And he says a day, a day. So it is making a diphthong sound, like this one. So here is an A sound. Got it? So a day, day, not day, not today. It will be today. No, you shouldn't say okay. So it's a Bengali pronunciation, but if you want to make it more British, so you should say today, next day, okay. Okay, so here is a diphthong sound. Here it was applied in this British RP accent. Okay, let's see what is next.
downgraded its recommendations because so few Brits were following it. So Sam, according to new government advice, what is the minimum number of steps we should walk every day to stay healthy? Is it A, 5,000 steps, B, 10,000 steps, or C, 20,000 steps?
And she says ow, ow. So it will be pronounced like this. So ow, ow, but in contraction form and positive contraction, so it will be ow. But she didn't say I will, but she pronounced this two word like one word. I'll, I'll, I'll go to market. I'll do that. Get it or not?
Okay, Sam, we'll find out the answer at the end of the program. Someone else who's interested.
So he says at the end of the program, at the end of the program. So he didn't pronounce the T. So T, it was completely silent here. So at the end of the program, and also it's not a glottal T. So if it had been a glottal T, then its pronunciation would have been like the, but so we know that it is not a glottal T. So this T, it was completely silent. Okay. So in most of the cases, when after T, after T following the consonant sound, okay, when consonant sound comes after the T, so most of the cases it can be silent. Okay, so he says at the end of the program, at the end of the program. So let's listen one more time.
Interested in how out the answer at the end of the program. Okay, Sam will find out the answer at the end. Okay, Sam will find out the answer at the end of the program. Someone else.
And also here we'll find out the answer. We'll find out the answer. We'll find out the answer. Okay. And also you maybe you notice that after the T sound, when another consonant come, so simply they make it silent. So he says find out the answer, find out the answer, no, find out the answer. So he says find out the answer, and at the at the end of the program, at the end of the program. So got it or not?
Else who's interested in how little exercise he can do is BBC reporter James Gallagher. Here's James speaking with sports physiologist.
And he says here, not here, here. So when the R at the end of the word and the final R, it not be pronounced in British RP accent. So they say here, driver, grammar, like this. Okay, simply they make it silent. Okay, got it?
Physiologist Dr. Zoe Samer, after Zoe had been monitoring James's fitness while running on a treadmill for BBC Radio 4 program Inside the Science.
And he says BBC radio program. So radio program. So radio program. So radio. So simply he pronounced the R. So R, when R, it will be at the beginning of the word. So it will be pronounced, but it won't be pronounced like American one, or. No, it will be also not like in Bangladesh, like grammar. No, radio. No, it will be British R pronunciation. If when they pronounce the R, they pronounce in very simple way and in very sharpened way, like radio program, radio, bright. So there are pronunciation of R style like this, ra, no, r. So great. So let's listen one more time. So
BBC Radio 4 program Inside the
radio,
treadmill for BBC Radio 4 program.
radio.
But I also know you do regularly try and do structured exercise.
So just so we clear, my structured exercise training is going for a swim once a week.
Generally, that's fantastic. I guess my question to you would be, how hard
Generally, that's fantastic sound as sound, like so this sound was applied. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you again for joining. So, thank you all for taking the time to join today's lesson. And I truly appreciate your participation and the valuable insight you shared. And it's been an absolute pleasure enjoying the class. And I look forward to reconnecting with you in our upcoming classes. Until then, take care, stay safe, and have a wonderful day ahead. Okay, thank you so much. I'm taking leave.